What is Nad Yoga? Nad means a sound. This whole universe is created with sound. Whatever sound you believe in, whether it is Om, as the Hindus believe, or Big Bang that the scientists believe, or God that God chanted, created the universe. In order for us to truly understand our own true nature, in India they developed a system called Nad Yoga. Nad Yoga is only possible with the voice. No instrument can produce the quality akasha. Akasha means space. Quality space in which the light can shine. So we are basically made up of light. In our seventh chakra there is light. In the sixth chakra there is light that is tolerable, in which we see the dreams. When it comes to the fifth chakra, it becomes sound. When it reaches the heart chakra, it becomes unconditional love, compassion. When it comes to the third chakra, it becomes the light of the sun. We can see ourselves in the mirror, in the pond. When it comes to the second chakra, it becomes sexual orgasmic feeling. When it comes to the earth, it becomes delicious food, feeling of groundedness. So we have this light that becomes other gunas and elements. Nad Yoga is to experience that cosmic vibration that is the cause of the universe. And human body and human voice are the only instruments in which you can tune in by inverting your senses. In the yoga system, it is known a state which is called pratyahara. You invert your senses. The eyes see outside, eyes can also see inward. Visions take place. Great feelings of bhakti, compassion arise from chanting mantras beautifully. Nada is something, it is not really a practice. It is, you see, life actually. It is life. Everything is vibrating. Everything has a sound. The flowers we look at, actually there is a sound of flowers. There is a sound of trees. There is a sound of life itself, which only yogis who have done the internal work, dharana, dhyana, and has the experience of a samadhi. After samadhi, you are hearing your nada all the time. But samadhi is becoming the criteria of the yogic system. You start with the yamas and niyamas, and then asanas, and then pranayama. Then you go to the pratyahara, then dharana, then dhyana, and then samadhi. It's a journey inward. So first we have to make the journey outward. So we can learn a language, we go through this conditioning, religions and this and that, and finally you renounce them all. Because the inner world doesn't require any language, it doesn't require any mantra, it doesn't require anything. It just requires you paying attention to yourself.